Hello friends, today's topic markets crash again. Four reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Indian markets are at a 2 months low. Nifty fell close to 1% today and closed at 24,181. Nifty has closed negatively for 5 consecutive days. Sensex fell below the 80,000 mark. Nifty has fallen by 7.6% the last 1 month since it touched a lifetime high of 26,179. Although it is just a minor correction, it may feel severe since investors are not used to weak markets. The overall market cap of Indian stock markets have fallen by around rupees 36 lakh crores in the last 1 month. This is testing time for new investors since it is not easy to see a portfolio value fall significantly. Major reasons for the fall in markets. Number one, unstoppable FII selling. FIIs have been continuously selling Indian stocks since the start of October month. So far, they have sold more than 98,000 crores worth of stocks in Indian markets. Even during Corona, FII had not sold this much. Of course, market cap of Indian markets was much lower in February-March 2020 compared to now. Second reason, very weak quarterly results. Most of the companies which have announced their quarter results until now have reported weak and below expectation results. Since stocks were trading at higher valuations, weak results have made short-term investors sell due to fear of future correction. Based on the quarter results of many consumer companies, it looks like there is a slowdown in the economy. We need to see how the GDP figures for July-September 2024 quarter will be when the government announces it in coming weeks. Third reason, US election results coming up soon. There is a lot of uncertainty with respect to the US election results. It looks like a tough fight between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. Election results were announced on 5th November 2024. Since the US is a very important country for the entire world, who becomes the US president is extremely important to the global economy. In the coming few days, markets could become more volatile due to this. Indian markets still at higher valuations. The current price to earnings ratio of Nifty 50, that is PE, at 22.8 above 1 year P average of 22.6 and above the 2 year average of 22.2. So, in spite of 7.5% fall in Nifty from recent high, markets are still trading at higher valuations. So, there is scope for further correction. How much more will markets fall? Nobody can guess the bottom of the fall. Please note that just because markets are expected to be further weak, it does not mean that it will fall continuously. There is a possibility of small uptrends too now and then, even when there is a general downtrend. If you are new to markets but have been watching our videos regularly, we have been mentioning about market weakness since almost 1 to 2 months. So, as such, you should have been prepared. If you are a long-term investor, continue doing SIP, SIP, invest lump sum in phases over the next few months. Don't just invest a lump sum at one shot. The good opportunity for investors who have vision of at least 8 years. It's like a discount sale for long-term investors. If you don't have much money to invest now, there is nothing to worry. Just watch and learn from markets on how it moves during a downtrend. Don't think of selling unless you realize that your stocks are not good or you need money for some emergency. Most new investors have only seen the uptrend of the last 4 years. So this experience is very important to succeed in the future. End of the video, here is the question. At this moment, do you wish you had more money to invest? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.